Hey, adventurers! Today we're trading secret missions for sunny excursions as we head to James Bond Island in style. Get ready for a day where luxury meets 007. Hop aboard our catamaran. It's not equipped with rockets, but we do have a killer buffet lunch and welcome drinks that are sadly not shaken or stirred. First stop, Lawa Island. No villains here, just clear waters perfect for a swim or sunbathing. Remember, no secret documents in your swim trunks. Ready to channel your inner Bond? Let's kayak into the Hongs of Phang Nga. No high-tech gadgets needed, just a paddle and your sense of wonder. Behold James Bond Island. No, you won't find a villain's lair, but these amazing rocks might make you feel like you're in The Man with the Golden Gun. Minus the gunfire, of course. As the sun sets, it's time for a dinner that even Bond would approve of. Just don't expect a tuxedo-clad waiter, flip-flops are more our style here. On our catamaran, Wi-Fi's free and the DJ's spinning beats, not spy records. And check out the water slide, it's more fun than a jetpack. From high seas to high jinks, this tour's got it all. So, ditch the tux, grab your shades, and join us for a day of luxury, laughs, and a bit of Bond. Book now and let's make waves. That's a wrap, folks. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic adventures. See you on the high seas.